back, ladies and gentlemen. With just 12 hours to go for the Vaccine for All drive that begins from tomorrow morning, the situation on the ground is grim. At least 12 states have said that they have no vaccines to begin the Vaccine for All adult drive that has been given the date of 1st of May. In fact, many states have said they don't even have enough vaccines to give people above the age of 45 who need their first or second doses. That being the situation, we have a tweet that has come out from the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, where he said that the CoWIN app has received crores of applications, registrations, and he said that at least 1.45 crore SMSs have gone confirming that they have been registered. Well, the point that people are making tonight is just this. It is not SMSs that people are waiting for. It is actually the vaccines that people are waiting for. And that is something nobody is going to be able to tell them till states get their supplies of vaccines. Let's take a look at what our reporters found from different parts of India in terms of the vaccine availability starting tomorrow.
The Chennai Corporation had set up special vaccination camps across the city so that people who belong to the eligible age group can get their vaccines. And in fact, we are reporting from one such free vaccination special camp set up by the Chennai Corporation. And I would request my video journalist Manish to just get inside and show you the visuals. This entire place, entire vaccination center is empty.
I'm at the NESCO vaccination center in Goregaon East. You can see there is a notice being put out here that vaccine is over, closed for the day. In fact, for 3 days, there will not be any single vaccination being conducted.
I'm reporting from one of the biggest vaccination center there in Bhopal. In fact, in JP Hospital, where the vaccination program has been running so smoothly. But today, it's not looking like that. Here you see number of senior citizens are started assembling here in the expectation to get the vaccination.
This is the state vaccination center in Jaipur, which provide vaccines to more than 12 districts in Rajasthan, in north and east of Rajasthan. But so far their vaccine supply is dwindling, and what officials are telling us in Jaipur that they are yet to get the number that how many vaccines they would get for May 1 vaccination program, which is starting from tomorrow.
Well, so the legitimate question on the news hour tonight is just one. How long will India's vaccine wait be? That's the question and the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining my panel tonight is Shobna Kamineni. She is the vice chairperson of the Apollo Group of Hospitals. And Shobna, I want to begin with you and I want to ask you, the Apollo Group has come out and stated that they will begin to give vaccines from the 1st of May, that is tomorrow. I want to ask you, are private hospitals across India going to be able to do that? Has Apollo Group made some special arrangements? Because even Fortis and Max have said that they will do it. Will you be able to do it across Apollo hospitals and clinics in various states and cities?
So, Navik, good evening. We definitely will try, because as you know, so far we've vaccinated the largest number in the private sector. We've finished about 500,000 vaccines already. I know it's slow, it's a drop in the ocean, but we've been out there, and now with this, now that it's opened up to the private sector, we've been pursuing this for the last 8 months. It's come to fruition, so we will participate. We're out there, and we want to put it not just in every hospital of ours, but possibly in every clinic also, where we can get the authorized vaccinators. But big caveat there that don't expect to just walk in and get a vaccine tomorrow or day after. Everyone just has to register. They need an appointment. They need to book an appointment on CoWIN and then come in. So
how many vaccines do you have? Let's say, do you have enough vaccines for the first 1 week?
I would think so. Yeah, we do. And again, I want to state that one of the things that I might be a little out of line, but Apollo took a policy decision that, you know, there are people who are really wondering about the second jab. So many of them require it, and they don't know whether it's going to be available in the private sector, and there's a lot of confusion around that. So we're going to keep some aside that yes, pay and you will have priority to get your second jab. So that plus the plus safety.
Reena Gupta, it is possible. Some hospitals are ready, and if they are ready and they can give it, then I'm sure states need to find out what they've done and what they've managed to do so successfully. Why are state governments only busy complaining?
So Navika, I'm so glad that you brought up this point. This is exactly the point that the Supreme Court was making, that if you leave it to the vaccine manufacturers to set the pricing and the distribution, that you will never be able to have an equitable distribution. So why is it that the private hospitals have been able to buy? The question to ask is that is it the Serum Institute and the Bharat Biotech? Are they going to decide that who will actually get this vaccine? If X hospital agrees to pay 2,000 rupees for a vaccine, maybe they can procure it.
Do you have a plan for Delhi? Reena Gupta, do you have a plan for Delhi starting
really
tomorrow?
nasty.
Yes or no?
Yes, Navika, we have a plan for Delhi. We've already placed the order, 67 lakhs with each of the two
Shobna
licensed
says you're being nasty.
but we do
Shobna
not
says you're
know.
being nasty, Reena.
No. What I'm saying is that our quantities are so little compared to the government, and we are very low on the totem pole. So we're just participating. We're a partner of yours, of every
Absolutely,
state.
but
So
the
please look
point
at us.
is,
Please
Navika,
look at us only as your second, as your second partner. You all are the lead in the states, and you know there's no chance we'll get access to the kind of supply you all will get. It's
But,
really
Navika,
not
that
about
is
the
the
price.
If private hospitals
that the
can
whole
get it,
country needs
if
to be
private
vaccinated
hospitals can get
for
it,
the vaccination to have any impact.
Oh my
The
God.
vaccination has to be universal.
You
It has
allow
to
me
be
to
I agree.
Otherwise, there's no
I
point.
agree.
Navika, you have to allow me to
तो
come in.
करिए ना रीना जी,
Exactly.
करिए ना, आपको रोक कौन रहा है?
Navika,
करिए ना।
नविका जी, हमने तो
करिए
ऑर्डर प्लेस
सबके
कर
लिए।
दिया। हमने तो
Navika,
ऑर्डर प्लेस
you
कर दिया।
allow me to
दो
come
ही
in.
सप्लायर्स हैं
Navika,
और
you
वो
allow
नहीं
me
दे
come
रहे हैं,
in.
तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं
हम
बताइए
नहीं
आप।
दे रहे हैं, इनको ही नहीं मिल रहा सब कुछ. Can I come in, Navika, please?
नहीं, शिवराज जी भी बोल रहे हैं, नीतीश कुमार जी भी
Navika,
Yes,
can I
Nupur.
please-
Yes,
Don't
Nupur.
compare
एनडीए की सरकार में है
Don't compare.
शिवराज जी और नीतीश
Don't
कुमार
compare the size
दोनों ने
of the
बोला है
state.
कि उनके पास
And please, you know,
vaccine नहीं है.
Navika,
It is
I
not
don't
the
want to get into this tutu mebe, wherein a state government, UTs or whatever NCT's representative sits here and has the audacity to again fight with somebody who represents the medical health professionals. You know, it takes me back to last year. FIRs against Sir Gangaram Hospital. Takes me back to last year. 17 testing labs were
why
shut
don't
down
you
by
answer
Delhi
the
government.
question
You know,
that the Supreme
Navika,
Court
allow me to
has
finish.
raised?
I will answer as I
question is,
choose
how
to,
can
madam.
you
You are not
leave
going
it
to
for
decide.
private
You know, Navika, you have to put a
manufacturers
fader
to
down. This is a
decide
very
the
serious issue.
Supreme Court
Navika, I would
has
urge
raised
you,
a
I would
very, very
request you,
strong
but
objection.
rabble rousing is not going to make her correct. For a party which spends 150 crores on advertising over 3 months, but earmarks 50 crores only for the entire year
Why
for
don't you
vaccination
answer
and a
the
budget.
question,
Sorry,
Nupur?
it's quite telling.
Where are we going
Now
to
I
get
will
the
tell you,
vaccine?
you know, the good doctor
That is
has
the question
spoken
you need to
that ever
answer.
since
Every
that the
state is
vaccination
asking
drive
that
started,
question.
Navika, I'm giving some numbers. You will have to please put a fader down because this rabble rousing
Reena
and heckling is not the way.
Gupta, you'll have to stop
Please.
talking over Nupur Sharma. Maybe there is information that she can give our viewers, and that's what people want. They want information. They don't want bickering. They want solutions. They don't want problems. Yes, Nupur.
Well, the good doctor has spoken. She finally said that, you know, we have vaccinated, inoculated 5 lakh people. Ultimately, technically, also how many doses of jabs can you take out of a single vial? For that matter, if in total they have vaccinated 5 lakhs, for that matter, obviously the chest thumping and beating Delhi government, which was vaccinating up to 1 lakh people a day, has inoculated a lot more people. And if in total since January till May they have vaccinated 5 lakh people as on date, I will tell you the official figures from the government of India. Delhi has access to 4,47,410 jabs. For that matter, for a state which is only inoculating 32,000, at best 40, 45, 50,000, has doses for the next 9 days. So it is a question of preparedness, rather lack of it, and the ball actually finally rests in the
Well
court
said.
of the
We'll
state
wait and
government.
watch what happens in Delhi. And Tehseen Poonawalla, I don't want a political comment from you. I am just asking you one question because I have 10 seconds left. And Tehseen, I want to ask you, isn't it the hope of every common man who is today living in fear of this infection that is seeming to be so deadly that all they want is people to come together and find a solution? Can we all, in a united voice, appeal to our netas to unite to find solutions?
We have to. There's no other choice. But the centre and Mr. Narendra Modi must give up his attitude of he controlling everything and allow states more autonomy and they make sure that states get the vaccines at the same rate as centres getting. That is
Well. Some think it is only Prime Minister Narendra Modi's job. The others feel that it is everybody's job. Don't give homework and assignments only to one person in this country. You are chosen representatives too. Let's find out what your responsibility and accountability is. Vaccines for all beginning tomorrow. Well, don't expect to walk in and get it, as Shobhana Kamineni said. Make your appointment, register yourself, and yes, it may be a bit of a slow beginning, but we'll get there. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe, and all the best to all those who are fighting this virus.